Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydrean. Dancehall artist 450 culminates UK tour with a bang. From Jamaica to London, 450 excited fans, not just locally but on the international scene. With tracks like Wild and Rich and Hallelujah, the artist pulled thousands of fans with his UK tour, which climaxed at the Indigo O2 Arena. The arena, which holds 2,750 patrons, was full to capacity. In a clip posted on the artist's social media page, fans broke out in choir while 450 delivered some of his popular hits, solidifying his title as the chorus god. Chanel Muir and Vanessa Bling also appeared at the Indigo. Tiffany Haddish seeks help after second DUI arrest in 2 years. The actress and comedian was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence for a second time after falling asleep at the wheel. In a report, Haddish explained that her Tesla parked itself when she dozed off, blocking part of the road. Police were called and she was taken into custody. She expressed her desire to seek help to learn balance and boundaries. Young Thug's lyrics used against him in court case. The rapper is facing a racketeering trial in Georgia, where prosecutors accuse him of being a gang leader in charge of a wolf pack. Prosecutors are using Thug's own lyrics as evidence against him, accusing him of co-founding a violent street gang in his hometown. The rapper is accused of the same charge against ex-US President Donald Trump in the state. Fulton County Deputy District Attorney Adrian Love alleges that Thug's lyrics bore eerie significance to real life and the crimes the gang is alleged to have committed. If found guilty, the rapper could face decades in prison. The trial is part of an investigation that prosecutors say has been ongoing for about 10 years. Erykah Badu named GQ Germany Man of the Year. The neo-soul singer graces the cover as Music Icon of the Year in the 2023 Men of the Year issue. In recognizing her contribution in trailblazing a new genre of music in the 1990s, noted that the name neo-soul was created for the album Baduism because no one could categorize what she was doing. She said, "I drilled a hole in the dam, so to speak, and all the like-minded frequencies flowed through. It is a formula that others can use." Now, Badu's musical collaborators span genres and generations, from hip-hop A$AP Ferg to K-pop RM, from BTS to new wave R&B Tiana Taylor. Chris Brown celebrates